Today I'm going to show you how to change perspective in Photopea, and this is a really useful trick when you want to create an even perspective distortion. For example, you can slant text, make a road look like it disappears into the distance, or place artwork onto an angled surface while keeping the opposite edges parallel. It's a simple technique, but once you know it, it can completely change the way your designs look. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photopea tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in Photopea and look over to the Layers panel. The most important first step is selecting the layer you want to modify. That could be text, an image, a graphic, or any element you want to reshape. If the wrong layer is selected, the perspective change won't apply to the object you actually want to edit, so always double check that you've clicked the correct layer before continuing. Once your layer is selected, go up to the top menu bar and click Edit, then hover over Transform, and from the submenu choose Perspective. This tells Photopea that you want to distort the object using a perspective-based transformation instead of a regular resize or rotate. As soon as you choose it, you'll see corner handles appear around your layer, and that's where the real control begins. Now comes the key part. Click and drag any single corner handle. If you drag a corner inward or outward sideways, the opposite corner will move in the same horizontal direction equally. This is what makes the perspective look even and balanced across the object. If you drag a corner upward or downward vertically, the opposite corner will move in the same vertical direction equally. That means you can create a natural looking slant, tilt, or depth effect without warping the layer in an uneven way. Take your time here and watch how the object changes as you move the corner. A small movement can create a subtle, realistic effect, while a larger movement can make the perspective much more dramatic. If you're designing a road scene, a poster, a screen mockup, or angled text, this tool is incredibly helpful. The goal is to make the layer feel like it belongs in the scene, matching the angle and direction of the surface you're working with. If you need to adjust the shape further, keep dragging the corner until the perspective looks right. Don't worry if it takes a couple of tries, because this is one of those tools where tiny changes can make a big difference. You can always continue refining it until the distortion fits your design naturally. When you're happy with the result, press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the transformation. You can also click the check mark in the top options bar to apply it. That final step locks in the perspective change, so your edited layer stays exactly how you positioned it. And that's it. You've now changed perspective in Photopea using a simple and effective transform method. This is a great technique for adding depth, realism, and angle-based distortion to your designs. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what Photopea tip you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.